I had a quick little video here of something that might be helpful to some people out there. So, sorting out the Ecto van, and I had a dint in the bumper. So I used the heat gun to take the dint out. The problem with my bumper is it's faded, and discovered that the heat gun is turning it nice and black again. Check this out. See how it's black? See the difference? So this is really cool. Get a heat gun, get it heating up. So I'm just going to leave it to cool down to see actually how that lasts. So I'll come back to it soon. Wow, so there we go. It's been cooling for a while and it seems to have stayed black. Oh, that is so cool. I've been trying to work out how to make it black again. Oh, I'm a happy guy. Hey.